Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Twilio login problems, verification and auth errors step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Twilio login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Click on the next button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification link from Twilio. If you do not see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Click the verification link to confirm your identity. Return to the Twilio login page and enter your password. If you encounter a verification error, ensure that your email address is spelled correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email sent to you. After resetting, attempt to log in again with your new password. If you continue to experience issues, ensure that your browser is updated to the latest version. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as this can resolve login problems. Try logging in using an incognito or private browsing window. If you still cannot log in, verify that your account is not locked due to multiple login attempts. Reach out to Twilio support for further assistance if your account appears locked. Provide them with as much detail as possible about the error messages you are receiving. Once you regain access, consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Regularly check your email for any communications from Twilio regarding your account. Stay informed about any changes in Twilio's login procedures by checking their official documentation. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve your Twilio login issues effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.